jika jam tangan pintar pasien dapat tepat waktu memperingatkan kejadian buruk obat dan memungkinkan efisiensi cepat jika saja kita dapat memiliki lebih banyak waktu untuk manusia, untuk perawatan pharmaceutical care. Bayangkan jika kita bisa menghemat miliaran karena penggunaan narkoba yang tidak memadai ada cahaya di cakrawala. Teknologi kesehatan digital menawarkan banyak peluang untuk mendukung pasien dan apoteker untuk beralih ke pharmaceutical care. Itulah alasan besar di balik buku perawatan farmasi dalam revolusi digital. Ada 7 takar utama yang membuat wawasan yang menarik yang memberi alasan mengapa model perawatan farmasi akan berhasil dan apa persyaratan untuk berhasil. Misalnya, belajar tentang AL, rantai blok, dan terapi digital. Dalam perawatan farmasi, terapi juga dapat menjadikan kepatuhan dan apa yang harus dilakukan hari ini untuk dia mempersiapkan hari esok. Banyak bacaan untuk apoteker dan pemangku kepentingan lainnya yang mendorong inovasi digital dan bersama-sama membangun masa
Digital therapeutics, enhancing or replacing our medication. What if an app or device would enhance a pill? It may sound like a futuristic question, but it is in fact a very actual option. Digital therapeutics may be the key answer to optimizing dosing of drugs, or not taking drugs at all. Digital therapeutics are a new category of apps and tools that help to treat a medical or psychological condition. It's a promising way to engage people through online technology to, for instance, monitor their behavior or to help improve their health. You could call it digitally guided therapy. Increasingly, these therapeutic apps and tools can be prescribed like traditional medication. For example, to help and encourage patients to follow a diet or to stick to an exercise program. Applications often include clinical assessment, patient-reported outcomes, and clinician monitoring dashboards. Both for patients and healthcare providers, digital therapeutics will add new possibilities to clinical practice and treatment. Digital therapeutics are being developed to treat many types of ailments like diabetes, obesity, COPD, and psychiatric diseases. Virtual reality therapy may, for example, guide anxiety patients through fearful situations, or EEG headbands, which may help a person to relax, preventing an episode of migraine to happen. There are many more potential benefits. For example, healthcare systems and insurers may save money by adopting digital therapies, and the combination with drugs could be more effective than traditional treatments. Also, the newly available data can inform a broader set of health providers in the care chain, thus opening up the way to a more holistic approach in treatment. Over time, digital therapeutics are expected to be seamlessly integrated with most health-related activities, including medication regimens. They might even become the standard of care, as digital therapeutics always need to go through rigorous clinical testing, leading to a regulatory approval to demonstrate safety and efficacy. Will digital therapeutics enhance the future of medication treatments? Time will tell. Fact is that they are valued already by a lot of patients. One thing we know for sure, the future of digital pharmaceutical care has only just begun. Blockchain, redefining health information exchange. A blockchain is a continuously growing list of records called blocks, which are linked and secured using cryptography. Records or blocks can contain any form of data, like data exchange on currency, real estate, or healthcare. The decentralized, open, and cryptographic nature of blockchains allows people to trust the system and transact peer-to-peer. making the need for trusted intermediaries obsolete. One of the biggest advancements in blockchain is the so-called smart contract. This enables self-executing of conditional transactions within a machine-to-machine network. For example, if a patient enters a pharmacy, the patient wishes to get the prescription which the doctor placed in the virtual smart contract between pharmacist and patient. The pharmacist provides the drug, and the recorded transaction comes to the patient on a specific time. For the pharmacist, this ensures direct payment and automatic recording of transaction. For the patient, it ensures adequate drug transaction recording after automatic checking of conditions, like adverse events or contraindications. The code of the transaction cannot be interfered with by either of the parties after the smart contract has been put on the blockchain. Thus, blockchain applications in pharmaceutical care may lead, amongst other benefits, to better informed healthcare providers, more secure health data transactions, and improved health claims management. However, blockchain technology still comes with a number of hurdles, like the challenge of privacy and the uncertainty in regulation. Also, better technical standards have to become available before broad adoption is possible. Will blockchain change the future of pharmaceutical care? Time will tell. Fact is, it has proven its value in other industries already. One thing we know for sure, the future of digital pharmaceutical care has only just begun.
Life science companies. However, they face complex challenges. Multiple parties are involved: supplier, second-tier supplier, wholesaler, pharmacy, and hospital. They all use different and often disparate IT systems, which makes the exchange of data difficult. Transport conditions of drugs such as temperature, humidity, luminosity, or vibration cannot be accessed in real time and can be subject to manipulation. Counterfeit drugs can hardly be identified due to lack of transparency. Compliance with FDA and EU regulations is costly and time-consuming. Capgemini offers you a complete solution for supply chain management in life science. It enables you to track transit conditions, for example temperature, vibration, humidity, and luminosity via IoT sensors. Assign operational information to individual batch IDs or drugs by using GTIN. Give every stakeholder of the supply chain access to all the information about the drug through shared ledger technology. Execute contracts with suppliers or logistic partners automatically as smart contracts. As a result, all supply chain data is transparent and immutable, which enables you to detect violations of regulations or contracts in real time, make the quality and safety of your drugs transparent to patients, fight reimbursement fraud, create audit data automatically, thus lowering time and effort for supply chain and compliance management dramatically. Talk to us today about how we can help you create more value in your supply chain using blockchain technology.